Hi everybody, my name's Aubrey and I'm going to talk to you about the presentation that I'm doing for my public speaking class, and it's about 3D printing homes. And at first we're going to see these three not good slides, and then we're going to see a much better and consistent slideshow at the end with the last three slides. Here we see that immediately this is inconsistent color-wise, and the font is just crazy. Nobody can really easily tell that this is 3D printing homes. And here we have an inconsistency with the uppercase and lowercase and the random underlined word here. Next, oops, sorry. Next, we see here on the Why You Should Care page, and it is just immediately way too lengthy. A reader would not be able to easily see this and read all of your points quickly. And second, there's an inconsistency here with the coloring. It's very hard to see with this dark background, and the color is inconsistent with the body. And here we just have an inconsistency also with the italicized and bolding of the lettering, and the font also is just too busy, and there's not a lot of structure to this page whatsoever. And then here at the bottom we can barely see this model here at the bottom, and this is just very difficult, again with the background being so dark and then having this as black. The viewer is not able to clearly see with this listed even here which information is going to which part of the model, and this is not overall consistent with the rest of the slides that I showed you previously. Next, we're going to go on to the good slides, and here we have a great header, and we can see that there is a consistency with everything, according with font and lettering and the color. Next, here we see the Why Should We Care page, and on the last one, that was that really busy, super long page. Here it's much more shortened, and it's consistent with the white and the lettering and the font from the previous. And we don't have any more bold, italicized things going on here. In our last slide, we see our advancements model, and this is much more easily seen than the last one, and there is one underline here in bold to make a point, and it's much more easier to see with this backdrop here, and it's just a better overall presentation of this slide. All right, well, thank y'all.